Functional testing is an important step in ensuring the quality and reliability of software. In simpler terms, it ensures that every button you press and action you take within the software does what it's supposed to. Imagine you're building a website or an app. Functional testing ensures that when user clicks a link, it takes them to the right page. Or when they fill out a form, the data is properly processed. It's like giving your software a reality check to ensure it performs its task correctly. There are different types of functional testing like unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. Each focuses on a specific level of testing from individual component to the entire system. Functional testing helps catch bugs, glitches, or unexpected behavior early in the development process before your user encounters them. Just like putting your software through a series of tests to ensure a smooth and a seamless user experience. So, the next time you're using an app and everything works seamlessly thanks to functional testing.